mussel dolma right now. So welcome to WBP Group Stars. And now let me explain the rice first. This rice we call ich pilav, which is a double quantity of onion we caramelize very slowly. Then we add inside allspice, black pepper and salt, and we have the mussel juice, and also we have the mussel meat as well. So we cook together for long hours. So it is a stuffing for the mussel dolma. And then we have the mussels that we have char grill over the charcoal with the glaze of mussel as well, and some beer, reduced beer on top. So also we cook the rice with the wine leaves together, and we're gonna add on top some kombu, which is seaweed. So what we do, we take the mussels like a sushi rice. So we made a small shapes. And then the mussels we fry. We have covered on top. Yes. And then we have the combo. Yeah. Then we have a small squeeze of lemon on top. And now we take this edible shells we made from caramelized onions, squid ink, tamarind, and salt and raisin. The same ingredients we use for the rice, actually. This is the mayonnaise from beer and mussel meat. Because beer and mussel together always good, like you guys do in Belgium. In Turkey also we eat mussels, fried mussel with beer. So we take this, put inside, yes. Then we have the cover on top. See the mussels. Here we go. Enjoy.